To use circle to search for instant information on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first make sure that the circle to search option is on. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap navigation bar. And then make sure that the circle to search option is on. If this option is still off, you can tap the on off switch to turn it on. Next, to use circle to search while you are viewing something you want to search. Long tap the home button. Highlight what you want to search by drawing a circle around an object. Scribble over an object or simply tap the area of interest. As you can see, Google will instantly display search result related to the selected object. Given to the function, you can use this feature to save time because you don't need to type out long description or switch between apps when you want to discover or learn something you see on your screen. Whether you are shopping, studying, or just curious about something on your screen, circle to search makes information just a tap away. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.